I'm JP Agarwal. I'm proprietor of JP Enterprises. We are into retail business. We are authorized sellers for Titan, Fastrack and Sonata watches. We started Flipkart around 9 months back. We were transformed from a retail outlet at Malad in Mumbai to a global seller selling products all over the country. Flipkart logistic partners helped us in getting the products shipped across the country in a very hassle-free manner. As the business grew, we realized that the payments are receiving on time. We started receiving the payments in a much quicker manner. With the latest revision in the Flipkart return policy, it's been very simple for us now. The company Flipkart takes care of all the decisions regarding the returns, and they just handle it directly. I'm glad to say that we moved on to Flipkart Advantage program some time back. The Flipkart Advantage program helps us in storing our products directly at the Flipkart Bhiwandi office in Mumbai. We save a lot of time and a lot of manpower requirement and also a lot of storage requirement at our end. Flipkart Advantage gives a lot of benefit to the customer. The first being the 24 hours guaranteed delivery across any location across the country. We have been following a few techniques or few policies very religiously throughout our tenure with Flipkart. First being that we ensure that all our products are dispatched correctly within 24 hours or within the SLA time frame. This ensures us that we have a very minimal returns from the customer. Second, we ensure that we do the proper packaging using the correct materials like bubble wrap or the Flipkart boxes with plastic covers, so that the customer, when they receive the product, it's in a perfect condition. That really makes the customer happy. And then few little things like we have made our own thank you card, which we insert in every package which we dispatch at our end. We must have started off around 100 SKUs when we initially joined hands with Flipkart. We moved on to 2000 as of now, 2000 SKUs as of now, and very soon we plan to grow up to 3000 SKUs. Our business have grown up to 300% over the past 9 months. We started with around 300 to 400 watches per month before we actually joined Flipkart. As soon as we joined Flipkart, over a period of around 6 months, we touched around 1000 pieces a month. And after we moved on to Flipkart Advantage, we are now at around 1500 pieces a month. I like to say a special thanks to the Flipkart account managers. They have really helped us in identifying our potential. They have helped us in identifying the right products, the right brands, and even the right verticals to target on Flipkart. We are also launching our own brand InDesign, a private label, very soon on Flipkart. We have already got a go-ahead from the Flipkart managers for doing so. Thank you.